So here one person but the yes basically. One person told that private limited company basically are going to perform basically current natural item only which is already produced because the private limited basically companies got authority up to this level data only because they have designed the private limited company like this. The person who designed the public limited company that I have the access of stock exchange basically. So he see that basically, and in stock exchange basically it connects the mutual fund, everything basically connects. That is connected with the future data basically. That is the data basically which is going to produce basically under the land. So the data basically which is processing basically. So you can just imagine basically how the price of the oil basically is getting calculated basically. Because each and every companies are doing lots of hard work basically to get this 15 lakh liter oil basically. To get this 15 lakh liter basically many companies are doing hard work, and after that basically the 15 lakh liter basically oil are taken basically. So that's why basically the oil price basically connects up to this level basically. The company's expense basically which the group of company basically who created the company basically, sorry, the person who authorized the company creation. For example, there are around 5 lakh company basically which is private limited company. They are into natural item creation basically process. In that basically they got basically the oil creation process basically. So their data basically, whatever data basically they are going to get, that is connected to the oil only. So the price of the oil basically is going to calculate according to this basically. That is this. That is 5 lakh companies basically expense what happened, how the expense basically has happened, how things are basically companies are created, who authorized basically the company, on the what level basically the authorization happened, how many public issue basically has issued, how the stock exchange basically handled these companies. So these all things basically, so stock exchange is also basically doing very dangerous role basically. Say next video.